Hey guys, Mark and Twine here. If you're looking at this video, you want to know how you could generate more leads, more sales, and more reps and maximize the compensation plan for your Vida Divina business. And that means that you have the right mindset because network marketing is personal development with a product attached to it. The top earners have studied the craft. Be present on this video. I'm going to drop a lot of golden nuggets and reveal industry secrets rapid fire. Absolutely no fluff, no time wasting, all facts. Saving the number one bonus for the very end. Stay tuned for instant results. I'm going to show you exactly how I went from being virtually unknown to becoming the number one lead generator in one of my companies. You're going to learn the best ways to generate leads online, even if you're currently unknown, with virtually zero technical skill required. I'm going to show you the exact simple 3-step strategy that I use to hit the leaderboard for recruiting and to hit the leaderboard for sales with another company. You're going to learn how to get a minimum of 100 or more highly qualified and targeted leads to you within the next 30 days. So you never have to chase people again. So you never have to cold message people. And this way, you can get highly targeted and qualified prospects of people who actually buy. Ultimately, you can start having the freedom and lifestyle that you dreamed of when you started this business in the first place. How would you like to have a business working for you instead of the other way around? You're going to learn my exact YouTube Fast Start Blueprint and my exact Facebook Fast Start Blueprint. Let's hop right in. For YouTube, you want to identify the keyword that you want to go after. This is done by looking at what others who already have the success that you want, looking at what they've done, and creating similar updated content, going after the same keywords. You're going to use a tool called TubeBuddy to speed up the process. I left a link in the description for that tool. You're going to go to the video that you want to replicate. You're going to click on the video and copy the tags to a Word document. These tags are the keywords that you're going to rank on Google and YouTube for to get more traffic to what you have to offer. You're going to create a coherent title with your keyword phrases, and your title should go after multiple keywords while still making sense. You're going to create a description that's about 300 words in length and scatter your keywords throughout this description. Place your link at the top of the description. Create a thumbnail using canva.com and save your thumbnail as your primary keyword. You don't want to reinvent the wheel. It's okay to be a copycat. Just copy the right cat. You don't want to copy word for word verbatim what they said, but you want to create your own similar 3 to 5 minute content going after the same exact keywords. Use Open Broadcast System to share your screen and save your video as your keyword optimized title. For Facebook, you want to find out exactly where your target audience is hanging out. It's a common mistake to think your marketing is for everyone under the sun. Your message is not for everyone. If you're marketing to everyone, you're marketing to no one. So you want to find out where the like-minded, and in this case, network marketers, where they're hanging out. And then you want to reach out to them. Say, hey, Mary, I almost didn't reach out to you, but then I decided to anyways. I've been noticing the comments that you made on the Tony Robbins fan page, and I checked out your profile. We definitely have the same mindset when it comes to work ethic, and I think we should connect. It'd be great to chat with you. What exactly do you do for work? By reaching out to people in this way, you'll start to build your audience. As you build your audience, you want to engage with that audience on your timeline. You're going to do this by having ask a question, fill in the blank, I love my blank, quotes, pictures, and blog posts. You want to make 5 to 10 new connections each day in the Robert Kiyosaki and Tony Robbins fan pages. Those are good places to start. Be consistent in these groups. People will get to know you from your comments and comments on the posts of others. The key here is to have the mindset around making connections and not the mindset around trying to close people. You don't want to be in those groups as the person who's trying to pitch people all the time. You want to post curiosity versus resistance. So it's 90% personal and 10% about your business. The 10% about your business can be the results of others or your own results. And the 90% personal, you want those to be pictures of you, yourself, hanging out at the beach, hanging out at the mall, with pictures of food, inspirational quotes, and those kind of things. A good curiosity post will have somebody reaching out to you for more information. This morning I made a smoothie with apples, oranges, mangoes, green powders, and almond milk. I had energy all day long. Some people may reach out to you and say, hey, what's that green powder all about? And that green powder may have something to do with your business. Guys, I hope you got value from this. If you did, feel free to continue your education by clicking the link in the description. Go ahead and click that link, and I'll walk you through and hold your hand and show you exactly how I'm able to generate 10 to 20 red hot leads a day, or some people sign up into my business on autopilot. I want the same for you. Go ahead and click that link, And I'll show you where I no longer have to hunt down family and friends, blitz at the mall, and do those kind of things. Instead, become the hunted with some modern day marketing techniques. Go ahead and click that link. Hope you guys got value from this, and I'll see you on the other side.